Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of computer graphics. In this video, we'll understand DDA algorithm with the help of an example. So let's begin. Now it's given, draw the line using DDA algorithm where the starting and finishing points of the line are given as 5, 5 and 10, 9. Now let's see how we will calculate the pixels using DDA. So the first point that is given to us is 5, 5 and we have to go on till we reach 10, 9. So the starting pixel is given as starting xi and yi is given as 5 and 5. Now we have to calculate the change in x and change in y. This is also 5. So change in x is equal to 5. Change in y comes out to be 4. Now since change in x is greater than change in y, so that means it is the case 1. So case 1 में what do we do? हम x की वैल्यू को इंक्रीमेंट करते जाते हैं by 1 and y की वैल्यू को निकालने के लिए हम उसमें ऐड कर देते हैं the slope. So the slope is, the value of slope is change in y upon change in x, that is 4 by 5. Now let's calculate x next. x next क्या हो जाएगा? 5 plus 1 that is 6. y next क्या हो जाएगा? y next will be 5 में हम ऐड कर देंगे the slope. So 5 plus 4 by 5 which comes out to be 29.5, somewhere equal to 5.8. So now we will round off this value since pixels are integral values. So this comes out to be 6. So the next value that we have got is 6. Now we will calculate the next pixel. Next xi is 6. Now in order to calculate the next pixel, हम जब pixel को plot करेंगे at that time we will take this integral value that is 6. But in order to determine the next pixel, we will not take the round off value, we will take the original value. So the original value of y before rounding it off is 29.5. Now increment the value of x by 1, this comes out to be 7. 29 by 5 में हम add कर देंगे 4 by 5 which comes out to be 34 by 5, nearly equal to, this is 33.5, nearly equal to 6.6 or 7. So the next pixel that we have got is 7 and 7. Now we will keep on checking until we reach 10, 9 and at that time we will stop the algorithm. So the next pixel now is 7. Now the value of y before rounding it off was 33 by 5. The next x is 8. The next y is 33 by 5 plus 4 by 5 which comes out to be 37 by 5 or we can say 7.4, nearly equal to 7. So the next value is 8, 7. The value of x is 8. The value of y is 37 by 5. Next x is 9. Next y is 37 by 5 plus 4 by 5 which comes out to be 41.5 or 8.2. 8.2 is nearly equal to 8. So the next pixel here is 9, 8. Now the next value, the next x that we have got is 9. The y was 41 by 5. So next x is 10 and next y is 41 by 5 plus 4 by 5 which is equal to 9. So the next pixel is 10 by 9. Now this is the finishing point of the line. So we stop our algorithm here. So the pixels that we have got is, we have started from 5, 5. The next pixel that we have got, that was 6, 6, then 7, 7, 6, 6, then we have got 7, 7, then the next we have got is 8, 7, then 9, 8, 8, 7, then 9, 8, and then that is the finishing point, which is 10,9. So this is how we have to solve the DDA algorithm if the starting and the finishing point of the line are given. This was all about this video. In the next video, we'll learn about the present tense line drawing algorithm. If you like this video, then do like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.